Hello guys, thank you so much for watching again. And for today's video, I am going to show you on how to make this 15 by 12 by 4 inches cake box. Or this can be used also for cupcake or any pastry products. And this size of box was requested by one of my viewers in one of my previously uploaded videos. This is the material I am going to use. This is a laminated board. One side is brown and one side is white. Then I am going to flatten the measurement of the box on the material. And I usually start from the corner of the board. The first measurement is 4 inches for the height, 15 inches for the length, and another 4 inches for the height. Then, I will also get the measurement on the horizontal side of the board. The first measurement is also for the height, 4 inches, then the 12 inches for the width, and then another 4 inches for the height on the back of the box. And this 12 inches is for the cover. And then the flip of the cover is 1.5 inches. Then I am going to do the same measurement on the other side of the board so I can connect all the markings. And now I am removing the unnecessary portions on both sides of the board material. And now I am going to shape out the lock on the sides of the box. I am going to get the center of this portion, that is 2 inches, because the height is 4 inches. Just mark it and then do the same on the lower part. Get the center and mark it on the 2 inches. And then make a line. Then on the vertical line, you have to get also the center of it, which is also 2 inches. Okay, and in this point, connect it to the corner. And I will do the same, exactly the same on the other side of the board material. Here, the same thing I am going to do, but at this point, it should be facing downward. You have to connect to the lower corner. And do the same on this side. Then in this side, I will make a hole, or I will just cut out so I can insert the lock of the box on the side. Then the distance should be the same to this measurement. So this is 2 inches. Then we will measure from here 2 inches going up. And then you have to mark it. And here I will do the same. This is 2 inches, so I will measure 2 inches going down. And then mark it so we can connect the markings. So these are the 2 markings and I am going to connect it. That line will be the basis where we are going to cut later. But if you don't want a long cut and only like this you want, then this is what you have to do. You have to get the measurement of this portion, which is 2 inches. Then from the marking we did a while ago, we will measure 2 inches going up. And here I will do the same. From the marking, we will measure 2 inches going down. Then we can erase the line which is not included. Means that this should not be cut. And we will do the same on the other side. This is 2 inches, so from this point going up, count 2 inches. And then, this is 2 inches also, so count another 2 inches and mark it. And connect. And so you have to make another one here. And for the cover, this is the basis of our measurement. This is 2 inches. And then we will measure also 2 inches from the line going up. Here. But before that, we have to get the center first. Okay, so here, from this line, we will measure 2 inches going up. Then from this point, connect it to the right side and also to the left side corner. And the measurement here should also be the same to the measurement of this portion, this one. So that's also 2 inches. So we will measure from the top line 2 inches going down. And after you get the marking on 2 inches, put the ruler on the horizontal line, connecting to the corner, and then put a line. Then, just do the other side, exactly the same what you did on the right side. Then, on the flip of the cover, I will put a curved line using the protractor. Okay, now next is cut it out. Just remove those portions that are not needed so we can assemble the box. Okay, so this is it, guys. It's almost done. Next is I am going to cut on the side of the board so I can make a hole where we can insert the lock when we assemble the box. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the notification bell button so you will be notified for my next upload. And if you like this video, please do like it and share to your friends. Thank you. Okay, next step, guys, is scoring. Just score on the line and it will help you in assembling the box. It will be easy for you to fold it properly. Okay, so scoring is done and now I am going to assemble. Guys, this kind of material is very good. This is so sturdy. You can also use this for a box for a big cake. Okay, I am now assembling it. See, this is the side of the box. This side, guys, should be put inside like this. Okay, so this is it, guys. Our box is done. But if you don't want to have like this on the side, then you want to put it out, then this is what you have to do. You can make a hole here and then cut this portion and insert it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like if you want to put the side cover outside. And then I am going to make 2 holes here so I can put the ribbon. Okay, so this is it guys. Our box, our cake box, our pastry box, our cupcake box is now done. Thank you so much guys for watching until the end, and I hope you like this video. Please also do share this video so it can help others.